Happy New Year, everybody. I'm Aaron Norris with the Norris Group. It's January 8th. It's that kind of day. It's Friday. Let's get to the biggest headlines in real estate. CoreLogic says home prices continue their upward climb, up 6.3% year over year and 0.5% month over month in November. Zillow reported the value of residential homes in America totaled $28.5 trillion at the end of 2015. The Mortgage Bankers Association reported a total decrease of 27% for mortgage applications over the last 2 weeks. Vacancies for apartments in the U.S. are increasing, averaging 4.4% over the 3 months through last December. This is up from 4.3%, so a little bit of an increase. Mortgage rates decreased, with 30-year rates now at 3.97% and 15-year rates at 3.26%. The Labor Department came through with a better than expected jobs report in December, adding 292,000 jobs and revived its October and November numbers up as well. So there's a little support for that Fed decision to raise interest rates, and the jobless rate now stands at about 5%. Bill Gross thinks the Fed is positioning itself for possible increases a few more times, up to 4 times this year. And on Bloomberg, he's quoted as saying, if the Fed continues to believe jobs are a critical element as opposed to aggregate demand and global growth, bonds have a sad period ahead of them. Gross is the lead manager of the $1.3 billion Janus Global Unrestricted Bond Fund, so nobody likes a sad period. He suggests maybe only raising interest rates 1 or 2 times next year. Before I forget, we introduced a new something called the Investor Roadmap. If you're new to the business, check out the norrisgroup.com/roadmap. Answer the 4 questions and schedule a one-on-one session with our team. We basically take our market timing knowledge and then your personality and some information you give us to create a plan. Great way to start the new year, and we're looking forward to help you. So it's been an exciting time on the stock market, to put it lightly, and it's been largely led by the Chinese stock market's dive earlier this week. It's been a little better today. And in a recent survey by the Association of Foreign Investors in Real Estate, they say they expect a bigger influx of foreign investors rushing into the real estate market as more foreign investors get out of markets like the Chinese market. Actually, 64% of those that they surveyed in their membership said they plan to make modest or major increases in investments in the U.S. in 2016. Their top choices of cities: LA and San Francisco. A federal judge has thrown out a lawsuit by Quicken Loans against the Department of Justice and HUD. Quicken is the nation's largest HUD-backed lender, and they aren't finished just quite yet. In an article, Bill Emerson of Quicken CEO, said, "This temporary procedural setback does not deter Quicken Loans from exposing the truth about the DOJ's egregious attempts to coerce unjust settlements from its victims, including Quicken Loans, by using the guise of the heavy hand and power of the federal government in doing so." So the Department of Justice says Quicken knowingly submitted hundreds of improperly underwritten FHA-insured loans, which Quicken denies, and it says Quicken says that it's only talking about 55 loans, 47 of which they've, I guess, settled. So they're really talking about 8 loans out of 250,000. They do a lot of volume. Quicken says the government also changed the rules and then made those rules retroactive from 2007 to 2011. So it's going to be really interesting to watch this, and that's maybe a reason why a lot of big lenders are exiting the FHA market. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're on Facebook, make sure to like the Norris Group, like our video, share it, and then leave a comment below. Let me know what you're up to in 2016. And of course, if you would like to read more real estate headlines, there are a ton more on the norrisgroup.com/blog. Up on the radio show, it's me. It is my 10 years with the Norris Group, and I talk with my dad, Bruce Norris, about where we're going in 2016 with education and resources that we're building for you guys, so you don't want to miss that, hopefully. And we have a very crazy speaking schedule over the next 30 days or so. Starting with the 12th, we're back on the road, stay put, cash out, or change seats. Bruce is going to be talking about why you'd want to do all 3 of those things right here in California at this new talk. On the 12th, we're going to be in Coachella Valley at CV RIA. On the 14th in LA at the Los Angeles Real Estate Summit in Glendale. The 19th in Orange County at the Apartment Owners Association LA on the 21st, and back on the 26th in San Diego. And we've got more coming up in February. So it's been such a hot topic and so many people stressed out, you don't want to miss it. For more information on hard money lending, including fix and flip, buy and hold, and new construction loans with the Norris Group, starting at just 0.69%, seriously, it's awesome. Check out the norrisgroup.com. If you want to learn more about trusted investing, passive investing with the Norris Group, check out tngtrusteeds.com. With that, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.